Today we've got old green machine here. This is a client brought this into us. He had inherited from his father-in-law. We started by tearing the 318 motor out. We took it down, had it completely bored 30 over, all new internals. We put a hotter cam in it. We did all exhaust. We custom fabricated the hood. We painted the car this beautiful green, tinted the windows, and then all the chrome was pretty messed up because it was old and kind of crusty. And so rather than restoring the chrome, we just went ahead and gave it a blackout look. We didn't stop there. We went into the interior. We started by purchasing some seats out of a 2018 Dodge Charger, and then we built the rest of the interior kind of around those seats. So custom door panels, custom carpet, custom kick panels, rear panels, headliner, package tray, dash, and then, of course, the custom console that has the head unit for the stereo in it. We also put some pretty good tunes in this thing. Should be fun. Should be a fun car to drive down the street on a nice, warm afternoon in Arizona.